back, artistic family, to Shannon Gibson Art and Designs. Today we are working on a 20 by 20 inch canvas that I painted gray, custom gray color. We have a variety of tools here: comb, scraper, palette knife, wash or filbert brush, and some drywall scraper. I also have my precision tip, and we also have some gloss gel medium that we'll be using at the end. So a little different design here. We're going to be doing some color blocking with beautiful neutrals. These are all custom colors besides titanium white. This is a mix of raw umber and unbleached titanium, and this one here has a bit of titanium white mixed in with unbleached titanium. We have raw sienna, burnt sienna, raw sienna, as well as a bit of yellow ochre mixed in here. So I'm excited to get going. Let's get started. So in this video, I will showcase how to achieve a unique and expressive look in your artwork, and that will be by using a variety of tools that will also add texture and create marks, and it will do that in layers, as that builds a lot more interest and depth to your paintings. And this artistic approach is a great way to be really creative through exploration and explore a wide range of techniques as well as materials. You can do mixed media art in a variety of ways, and so I just really want this to turn out and have visually striking effects with all of those different layers and tidbits. So enjoy the video, and I will see you in the close-up. was as enjoyable for you guys as it was fun for me to create. I've told you at the beginning of the year I was going to play around with a lot of different styles, and it's very important to do that so that you can refine your own. And there's quite a few things, if you guys have been watching me for a while, that I enjoy doing. And I love mark making and using the precision tip to make these beautiful kind of circular striations. And I love using the palette knife to do some scumbling and scraping, and the combs to make some beautiful lines and markings. I love the color blocking in this one. Absolutely love it. There's the light coming in my window here. And I'm quite happy with the composition. I'm very happy with the composition in either direction. So please let me know if you guys enjoyed this one by leaving a comment. It helps the channel. I love engaging with you guys, and it also helps me know what you guys are enjoying and what you like.